Cooking from my pantry, highlighting beans. I want to share some facts about beans with you. Beans actually come from the legume family. This family includes beans, lentils, split peas, peanuts, and green peas. Legumes are one of the first cultivated crops and have been eaten by people all over the world for 10,000 years. The U.S. Dietary Guidelines recommends that we eat 1 to 3 cups of beans per week, though most Americans eat less than 1 cup per week. Beans are an excellent plant-based protein for meatless meals. They are very inexpensive, and there are many ways to use them. They are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including iron. I think of beans as nutritional superstars. They are a valuable plant source of protein. They are high in dietary fiber, both insoluble and soluble fiber. They contain many vitamins and minerals, including iron. They also have health-promoting antioxidants and phytochemicals that are naturally present. These can help to reduce inflammation and also lead to other benefits, reducing chronic disease. Beans are naturally fat-free, sodium-free, and cholesterol-free. Many beans are also a great source of potassium, which offers its own health benefits. As I said before, the USDA recommends 3 cups of beans per week. This is a great way to have a meatless meal. You can have the beans, they can serve as your source of protein, and they're also filling and delicious. Beans may also help with blood sugar control for those people with diabetes. Although beans do contain carbohydrate, they are a low glycemic index food, which means they do not cause a spike in blood sugar when they are eaten. In fact, they take a longer time to digest and keep your blood sugar more stable, leading to better blood sugar control. Beans promote heart health. A high fiber diet may help to reduce cholesterol. And the potassium that I mentioned earlier that's present in many beans may help to control blood pressure. The reduced cancer risk that you might get from beans is due to antioxidants and phytochemicals that I mentioned earlier, in addition to the fiber that's present. As we know, fiber can help to reduce the risk of colon cancer. Beans may help with weight control. Not only do they have an excellent nutrient profile, being low in fat, but they also have a high fiber content, which may help to control appetite, leading to a lower calorie intake and more satisfaction when you eat. How do we get more beans into our diet? Well, beans are an excellent item to keep on hand in your pantry. You can buy beans dry, you can buy beans in the can, and then you can even buy beans frozen. So you can always have beans around. If you do buy canned beans, they will have a little bit more sodium. If you rinse them before you use them, you will actually rinse away up to 40% of that sodium content. In addition, rinsing will wash away some of the gas-causing compounds that are present in beans. You can add beans to soups, stews, chilies, pastas, and you can even put them on top of salads. Let's not forget that there are lots of bean-based dips. Hummus is usually based on garbanzo beans, but sometimes it's made with white beans, black beans, and black bean salsa is delicious. You can use beans in tacos, burritos, and quesadillas. What I would recommend, though, is to increase your bean intake slowly, because that can actually help your system to adjust to the fiber content that's present there and reduce your stomach upset. I'm going to tell you 3 ways to use beans that you might not have thought of before, and I'm going to follow up with a video showing how to make these 3 things. One is using beans as a snack. It's a roasted chickpea recipe that's really easy and makes a tasty, crunchy snack. Next, I have a 10-minute white bean Tuscan soup that's delicious and versatile. Of course, it's also very hearty because the beans are there to fill you up. And last, black bean brownies. If you've never tried them, no one will ever guess that these brownies are the same ingredient. So, coming up shortly, I'll have a video to show you how these are made. Thank you.